Welcome to our product review channel. The POCO F7 Ultra is one of the best smartphones POCO has launched to date, combining flagship performance, a stunning display, improved cameras, a powerful battery, and a premium design, all at a lower price than traditional flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this review, we will delve deeper into the phone's details to cover all its aspects. It's aiming for the top, offering flagship features without the flagship price. But can it really compete with the big dogs? Let's find out. From the moment you pick it up, the POCO F7 Ultra feels premium. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's packed with features. We'll dive into each aspect, but one thing's for sure, POCO is not playing around. This phone is for those who want the best without breaking the bank. It's for gamers, photographers, and anyone who demands peak performance from their device, so buckle up as we explore the POCO F7 Ultra and see if it lives up to the hype. The POCO F7 Ultra is a looker. It boasts a sleek design with premium materials. The phone is crafted with a combination of aerospace-grade aluminum and POCO Shield glass. This ensures durability and a premium feel in hand. The phone feels solid and well-built. It has a comfortable weight of 212 grams, not too heavy, not too light. The back panel has a smooth finish, though it can be a bit slippery. The camera module is neatly integrated into the design. It doesn't protrude too much, minimizing wobble on flat surfaces. The device also features IP68 dust and splash resistance for added peace of mind. Overall, the POCO F7 Ultra makes a strong first impression with its design and build quality. The POCO F7 Ultra boasts an impressive display. It features a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The resolution is 1440 x 3200 pixels, providing clear and detailed images. The refresh rate is a buttery smooth 120 Hz. This makes scrolling through menus and playing games incredibly fluid. The touch sampling rate is also high, ensuring quick responsiveness to every touch. Brightness is another strong point, which stands at 3200 nits. The display gets plenty bright for outdoor use. You won't have any trouble viewing content even under direct sunlight. The colors are vibrant and accurate, offering a great viewing experience. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or gaming, the POCO F7 Ultra's display won't disappoint. Under the hood, the POCO F7 Ultra packs a punch. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with the latest 3 nanometers manufacturing technology. This chipset is a beast, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. The phone is equipped with a large 12 and 16 GB RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and switching between applications. Storage options are huge, ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. The POCO F7 Ultra can handle anything you throw at it. From demanding games to heavy multitasking, it doesn't break a sweat. The phone stays cool even under intense workloads thanks to its advanced cooling system. This phone is designed for performance enthusiasts. It delivers a flagship-level experience without compromise. Section 5. Camera, capturing the moment. The POCO F7 Ultra doesn't disappoint in the camera department either. It's designed to meet the needs of both casual photographers and serious enthusiasts. It boasts a versatile triple camera system on the back, which includes a main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens. The main lens has a resolution of 50 megapixels and supports optical image stabilization, OIS, and AI-enhanced night photography. The telephoto lens allows you to capture stunning landscapes and group photos. It's ideal for travel and outdoor photography and boasts a resolution of 50 megapixels. The macro lens lets you get up close and personal with small objects, revealing details often missed by the naked eye, and boasts 32 MP resolution. The camera app is straightforward and easy to use, making it accessible for everyone. It offers various shooting modes and features to enhance your photography, including portrait, night, and pro modes. In good lighting conditions, the POCO F7 Ultra captures stunning images with accurate colors and good detail. Your photos will look true to life. The night mode also impresses, brightening up low-light shots while preserving detail. It's ideal for evening and indoor photography. For video recording, the phone supports up to 8K resolution, capturing incredible detail. Your videos will be crisp and clear. The stabilization is also on point, ensuring smooth footage. Whether you're walking or running, your videos will remain steady and professional looking. Section 6. Battery and charging, keeping up. The POCO F7 Ultra comes with a large 5300 mAh battery, designed to keep you charged throughout your busy day. It easily lasts a full day of moderate usage, so you can go from morning to night without worrying about running out of juice. Even with heavy usage, such as gaming or streaming videos, you won't be reaching for the charger constantly. The phone supports incredibly fast 120W wired charging, ensuring you spend less time tied to an electrical outlet. It can go from 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes, making it ideal for those in a hurry. This means you can get a full day's worth of power in just a short amount of time, even during a quick break. Wireless charging is available, providing convenience for those who prefer a 50W power-free experience. The phone features intelligent battery management features, which are designed to maximize efficiency. These help extend the battery life by optimizing app usage and power consumption, ensuring your phone lasts even longer. Whether you're a power user or a casual user, the POCO F7 Ultra's battery and charging capabilities won't leave you hanging, keeping you connected and productive all day long. Section 7. Sound and Multimedia Immersive Experience. The POCO F7 Ultra offers a solid multimedia experience. The phone features dual stereo speakers, delivering loud and clear audio. The sound quality is impressive for a smartphone, offering good depth and clarity. While there is no headphone jack, the phone comes with a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter in the box. The phone also supports high-fidelity audio codecs, providing a premium audio experience with compatible headphones. The large, vibrant display further enhances the multimedia experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the POCO F7 Ultra delivers an immersive experience. The lack of a headphone jack might disappoint some users, but the overall multimedia experience is still top-notch. Section 8. Price and value disrupting the flagship market. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. In today's market, flagship phones often come with a hefty price tag that can be a major deterrent for many consumers. The POCO F7 Ultra comes at a much lower price than its flagship counterparts, making it a game-changer in the industry. Its price starts from $649 to $849 depending on the version. This makes it an incredibly compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. Despite its affordable price tag, the POCO F7 Ultra doesn't compromise on features. It boasts a range of high-end specifications that you would expect from a much more expensive device. It offers a flagship-level experience at a fraction of the cost, making it a standout choice in a crowded market. This phone is a testament to POCO's commitment to providing value for money. They have managed to pack in premium features without the premium price tag. Compared to other flagship phones in the market, the POCO F7 Ultra offers exceptional value. It stands out not just for its price, but for what it delivers at that price point. It punches above its weight class, delivering premium features without the premium price. This is a phone that truly redefines what you can expect from a budget-friendly device. If you're looking for a flagship phone without spending a fortune, the POCO F7 Ultra should be at the top of your list. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Section 9. Final verdict. POCO F7 Ultra, a worthy contender. The POCO F7 Ultra is a true flagship killer. It offers an impressive combination of performance, features, and affordability. It's a phone that caters to the needs of demanding users without breaking the bank. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its capable camera and long-lasting battery, the POCO F7 Ultra excels in almost every department. It's a phone that punches above its weight class. While the lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some, it's a minor compromise considering the phone's overall value proposition. The POCO F7 Ultra is a statement from the brand. This proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a flagship smartphone. Ultimately, we hope this review has provided you with a comprehensive and clear overview of the POCO F7 Ultra. If you have any questions or opinions, feel free to share them with us in the comments. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in future reviews.